Hello, everybody. I hope everybody's safe and doing well during these turbulent time. And for those of you that I haven't met, my name is Mark McDonald, and I work with Gary Kuzniak and for 7 years with Bob Murphy to help you all maximize your Social Security income in retirement, and also best understand how you have to take money out of your 403B accounts, for those of you that have 403B accounts, in the future. So what we want to do today is talk to you about, as no surprise, the impact that COVID-19 is having on our future Social Security benefits, and new legislation that has actually taken place now, effective January 1st, that basically has changed the way we are forced to take money out of our 403B accounts in in retirement in the future. So the good news is, for those of you, and probably we've done this for many of you, but we're updating these personal reports. So part of your member benefit is that we run free retirement income planning reports that coordinate your future, what you think your future state pension is going to be. We run special Social Security reports to help you maximize in the current environment your Social Security income. And then we show you the new legislation now in terms of when money has to be forced out of your 403B. So you have a comprehensive retirement plan that transitions you from employment into retirement and every year through retirement. So we've done this for maybe close to 1,000 members. It's their favorite thing in retirement that they love, and it's available to all members. But most importantly, let's talk a little bit about what's going on today. Basically, all members have two sources of income. You're going to have your teachers, your TPIF pension, and you're going to have your federal pension, which is Social Security. Those of you that have been saving in 403Bs and or IRAs, or have spouses that have 401Ks, the front end of that agreement is that we get tax deductions, and they're wonderful accounts for tax deferred. The back end is that we have to, whether we need the money or not, we have to start taking money out of those accounts, and those are called required minimum distributions. So let's take a look real quickly at the state of Social Security. Your Social Security, you have three sources of income. You've got your TPIF pension, you've got Social Security, and then enforced distributions. The state of Social Security has changed. It's gotten more complicated. There's 1,800 rules. There's been 56 major changes, and most Americans have 567 different ways to choose their Social Security. It's no surprise that 80% of Americans underclaim their benefit. Many of them, when we run reports, we're able to get at least $100,000 to $125,000 more of your Social Security income. And as a backdrop, COVID-19 is having an impact on Social Security. The current Social Security is, while everybody says it's broke, it's actually broken, but it's not broke. There's actually $2.9 trillion of surplus money in Social Security. However, what Congress and everybody's talking about is, as baby boomers move into retirement, by 2035, the Social Security Trust Fund is going to be broke. If Congress doesn't fix it, there's going to be a 21% pay cut in Social Security, which nobody wants. And what's happening now is there's a lot of analysis saying that COVID-19 is accelerating the bankruptcy timetable. So the good news is Congress is working on this problem, and we plan to update you all on a regular basis how this COVID-19 is playing out and how it's going to impact our future Social Security. Again, as we mentioned, now is a great time to run, and we run these free reports for all members where we maximize your potential Social Security with whatever you think your future choice is going to be for your pension. These are great reports, and this way, especially if you want to know what your income is going to look like in retirement, not only from your pension, but how does it best coordinate with your Social Security. We run reports, and they're relevant and they're customized whether you're single, married, divorced, or widowed. All different rules apply to Social Security based on our current life situation. And again, when we run these custom reports for all members, they're able to get customized reports that show you how you can get the most Social Security based on your life situation. The third part that we integrate in your report is your 403B RMD income. So just as a quick reminder, 403B accounts, we have to start taking money out of those accounts in retirement, whether we need to or not. On January 1st, Congress passed the Secure Act, which is new legislation that changed when and how much money we have to take out of our 403B account. The good news is we know what those formulas are. We have the software, and we're actually able to run those reports for you and integrate them into your personal retirement plan. RMDs are forced distributions from age 70 and a half to 72, and the formula has changed. Also, COVID-19, for those of you that have inherited IRAs, as you know, you have to start taking money out of those accounts before age 72, actually the year that you inherit qualified money. There's special waivers and exemptions due to COVID where you, depending on your situation, you don't have to take money out. So we help people understand if you have qualified accounts, inherited qualified accounts, COVID-19 may give you a waiver on them. So again, we create these personal reports. It's a member benefit. There's no charge. Wildly popular with members. Again, for whether you're single, married, or divorced, these reports will show you break-even points based on different decisions on when and how you might take your Social Security or take money out of your 403B accounts. They'll show you, if, for example, if you're married, what happens to your income upon the death. All very valuable, important to take a look at retirement when in the early years of retirement, the middle years of retirement, and later in retirement. And probably the most important report that members love the most is we put all the pieces together for you. So we put together what your projected pension, we put together what your maximized Social Security, we show you what your forced distributions are going to look like on the accounts. And these are great reports to show you what it looks like as you work and transition into retirement, as well as every year in retirement to the end of life. These are great reports to do whether you're going to retire in 6 months, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever it is. We always say plan for tomorrow today, and members love these reports. And given the backdrop of COVID and the new legislation, we're updating these reports for all members. So you have a baseline of where we are today to see how things could change in the future. So you can get your free updated reports. We're going to actually mail at the end of this, we're going to email to you a form where you can just tell us where to send your updated personal reports. We'll set up a time to send them to you. And in the meantime, we wish everybody to stay well. And we look forward to working with each and every one of you to better understand how COVID-19 and the new Secure Act has impacted your future retirement. And we create reports for you so that you will know where you are today and will help you. So thank you very much.